You've been asked about this quartic or fourth degree polynomial. And first I think it's important to review zeros. A quadratic will have at most 2 zeros. A cubic will have at most 3 real zeros. This quartic will have at least 4 real zeros. So as I look, here's 1, 2, 3. So it'd be really popular to say, oh, there's one imaginary zero. But we know that imaginary zeros must come in pairs of 2, plus or minus 2i, for instance. And so we can't have just one. It turns out this is a bouncing factor. This might be x plus 2.7 squared to give us the bounce. So here are actually 2 real zeros, 1 real zero, and another 1 real zero. When we count these up, this is a total of 4. That means there are no imaginary zeros.